All right, here's the weight box I have listed on Craigslist. Not going to list it on eBay, and not worth listing this big monster on eBay. Diamond plate bottom with angle iron. This thing is obviously homemade. There's a hitch on the bottom. Not really welded on too well. Well, there's a lot of welding on the top side. But I weighed it with my scale and it's 93 pounds empty. So if you put it on your tractor to add weight, you're already adding 93 pounds without putting anything in it. I was going to put it on my 522XI garden tractor, but it's a bit big. It's a bit big for my garden tractor. I want something a little bit smaller. I'm going to sell this and make a platform with the money I sell it for. Between the bars down there, the curved bars, 13 3/4 inches. The bars are 3/8 inch thick metal. It's about, it's 28 inches long, 15 inch wide on the inside by about 15 front to back, though it is open on this end, and then about 14 inches deep. Let's get a view of the other side. I don't have the greatest lighting in here, sorry. Mosquitoes flying around inside here. Okay, there it focuses. Shooting this with an iPhone 7, which is a pretty good phone. Excuse me. Okay, that's my weight box. I have it up for sale on Craigslist. There it is. Pretty big. A little bit too big for my garden tractor, so I'm selling it. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.